Hello, lovely and dear student. Welcome to one more lesson. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it now, otherwise you miss the best content in English. You miss this content out. And make sure to give us a thumbs up if you are enjoying this course, if you are enjoying these lessons. Now, guys, we continue our journey. We are in the before the last class of the fundamentals of future in English. Today, we are here to talk about the present continuous for future. Yes, the present continuous that we normally use to talk about things that are in progress now. For example, I am speaking now, I am talking with you, I am teaching this lesson, I am drinking water, for example. All of these actions, they are in progress in this exact moment. Right now, you are listening to me, and I hope that you are taking some valuable notes. So the present continuous is normally used to talk about actions in progress in the present. This is how we are familiar with the present continuous. But we can totally use the present continuous for future, but there are specific situations that we use the present continuous for future, and our objective is to get familiar with them in this specific lesson. Let's check it out. It's common to use the present continuous tense to talk about future arrangements. So that's an important combination of words. Future arrangement. Let's see what is a future arrangement. A future arrangement is a plan that you have decided and organized with another person. So a future arrangement is nothing more than something that you scheduled. So if you call the doctor and then you schedule an appointment with the doctor, you have an arrangement, right? You have an appointment. So you can say, I am visiting the doctor tomorrow, or the dentist, for example. Or if you scheduled your English class, and then you can say, I am having English class on Monday, for example. Sometimes, let's continue here this exploration. Sometimes the arrangement can be between a person and a group of people, an organization or a company. So it is something, this arrangement is not exclusively with a person. It can be with an institution, with an organization. Let's take a look in some examples. The first one, I am spending the weekend with my friends. I am, verb to be there, spending the weekend with my friends. So now that's an arrangement that you have with your friends, something that you scheduled with your friends. The second example, I am seeing the doctor on Wednesday. It's an arrangement with a company. In this case, the company is the doctor's clinic. And then finally, they are working on this holiday. So arrangement with the company they work for. So this means they are working this holiday. There is an arrangement between them and the company, and that's why they will be working, all right? So we see, guys, I am seeing the doctor. They are working on the holiday. All of this describes, all of these structures, they are the present continuous for future. And then here we have the form or the structure, the formula that you can use just to remind yourself or to learn a little bit more about the present continuous. Because we have the subject that we have talked about them a lot in this course. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. And then we have the verb to be, am, is, and are. I am, you are, he is, so on and so forth. To remember, guys, all of these little details, make sure to download the PDF material and the exercises and to practice them. Besides, clearly, taking notes actively about what you are learning. And then we have the subject, the verb to be, and the verb in ing, right? I am reading. You are reading a book on Friday. He is reading a book, for example. We are watching a movie together on the weekend. And they are studying philosophy on Thursday morning. For example, it's an arrangement with the university. So guys, this is it about the present continuous for future. Present continuous, it's adaptable. It isn't necessarily limited by the present as we have seen, but we can also use it to talk about the future. And now you know how we can do that and how to use that correctly. See you guys on our next and last class in this course. See you then.